Hey guys, it's Oksana with Craft and More Design. Thank you so much for tuning back in. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe! I'm gonna have so many fun Christmas things coming because Christmas is right around the corner and I love Christmas! Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some DIY wooden candles. So they are so cute and versatile for any season, whether it be Thanksgiving or Christmas or the New Year's. So some materials that you guys are gonna need, you can probably find around your home, but obviously you're gonna need your 4x4 wood piece. Most of you guys probably already have this in your scrap section. You'll need some scissors, some twine, some pretty ribbon of your choice. You need just a brush or a foam brush, some paint. I am using chalk paint, but honestly you can just use regular dollar store paint. You just need something that's white. And then of course you'll need just kind of fun accessories. So I found these at Walmart. They have a lot of cute selection already out. You'll just need your little decorations, whatever you choose to dress up your blocks with. And then last but not least, you'll need your tea light candles. And that's what's actually gonna go inside. You'll need your DeWalt, your little paddle bit. I use 1.5 inch to drill these in. But anyway, so pretty basic stuff you can find around your home, or again, find at Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Home Depot, or Amazon. So, all right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is obviously go through your scrap wood or go to Home Depot and get your 4x4. And then you'll go ahead and mark it however you want your candles, and then go ahead and have it cut. After the cuts are done, you'll go ahead and sand it down and stain it. So this is before stain, this is after stain. So I just used stain I had around the house. It was a dark walnut stain, but honestly, if you don't have it, just use a dark paint, a brown color. I'm sure you can find it. But I love how this dark walnut stain looks. I'll post the link below. I got it at Home Depot for about $6, and it's lasted me so long. After I have the stain dry, I'm gonna go ahead and just take my foam brush and my paint. Go ahead and just take my brush and kind of do just streaks along it. There's no way to mess it up. So whether you want yours completely covered or you just want little streaks like that, totally up to you. And you'll just paint all around until you get your desired look. And don't forget to paint the bottoms and the top as well. All of your wood obviously is gonna be like this. I ended up using that paddle bit to drill the tea light candle hole after I had stained it. You can paint it before, you can paint it after, it's totally up to you. But you definitely want it to be drilled before you apply all your pretty garnishes on it, because then everything will get just sandy.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two.
Some bells, florals, garland that I got at Walmart. So really pretty. So you can play around with whatever you think would be pretty. There's no wrong way. It's obviously just up to you and your style. And that's it. So you will stage it however you see fit, whether you decide to go a little bit more minimal or want to add some fun garnishes. So it is totally up to you. I love these little tags.
tell.
So I'm in my garage getting ready for the Christmas show. Obviously that's a lot of candles, but this is kind of the overall idea. So super easy to make, honestly. Everything is probably stuff that you already have around the house. I just paid about $5 or $10 for the little decorations, the ribbons, the florals from Walmart and Dollar Tree. And then of course this little stamped book that I made. So comment below if you want to see the tutorial for that. That's another project for another day, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited to see all that you guys create. But have fun, go make your candles. Hope this inspires you, and don't forget to subscribe below, and Merry early Christmas!
Sleigh.